Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. So, we're in the same spot we left off last time. All the wiring is still in there. Still a mess. So, we're going to see if we can make something back there to hold that wonderful panel and the ECU. See if we can get this thing going. Still got a couple of wires to run, but that's from the panel, so we'll run those up to the battery area here. A lot cleaner than it was. Hopefully it'll stay that way, but you never know. But yeah, we're gonna start with putting some getting some steel out and see if we can make a panel and see if we can get some wires mounted. We got a little bit of time this morning, so why not start, right? My students over there looking at a pad. We'll get back to that key. Get working on that here soon. So, but this could possibly be ready to drive soon. I do have to get a shifter yet. Still looking into that, because I don't want to change the shift arm because I just had the shifter rebuilt, or the transmission rebuilt rather. So I would rather not open it up because it's full of fresh fluid, and I just don't want to mess around with it. Put a new gasket and make a leak. It doesn't leak right now, so I don't want to make it leak. So let's get going. Alright, so I've gone ahead and assembled the panel here. I only found one bolt long enough to hold the ECU in for right now, so I'll have to get another one and get that taken care of. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can get this installed in the truck. Hopefully this will work right. Probably a pain in my butt, but only one way to find out. So, I don't think I'm going to be able to get good video of this, just because of how awkward it is. Yeah, I'm not. I'll go ahead and get this installed and show you what it looks like. All right, here we go. There she is. All put in place, bolted tight, hidden by the seat. Should be good to go. So now it's just going to be a fun thing of getting all those wires hooked up, and I almost wonder if I'm going to have to take the seat back out to be able to do this correctly, which taking the seat out isn't a big deal, but it sucks. So otherwise it might not be we'll find out. I'm going to cut the wires on, cut these so that I can pull them where I want them. These two are going to go down underneath into the front. This one's going to go to the ignition switch. So we'll get that. Then this bundle of wires over here, I'm going to start cutting the zip ties on all those, because I did zip tie the entire section. And then I'm going to pull them up over here. We can move that speaker over, that doesn't matter. Carpet is what it is. We'll get all that straightened out. But yeah, I think this will end up being fairly simple. So I just go through the wires and hook them up. They're all numbered. Got to put the connectors that were included in the kit on them. We got those. There was a bag, I'm sure I showed you right there. Nice bag of connectors. So, and it tells you in the instructions which connector to use for which wire. So it's foolproof, really. And I do need to wrap all of the wiring in wire loom, but I'm not worried about that right now. I do have some, but I don't know if I have enough or big enough for that matter. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and start working on this and see if I can get somewhere on it. Stick around. Okay, so there we go. I took the back of the seat off. That made it a whole lot easier. But doesn't look too bad. So got to finish all the other wires. I got the main power wire and ground underneath there. Backup lights are right there. And got a little bit of work left to do, but it's not bad. I think it'll work out. At least I hope it'll work out. So everything, you gotta hook up the fan yet. They say just to connect to the battery, but I don't like that. I want a fuse in there or something. So that's where we're gonna end it today. Kit wasn't bad. I hope it works. I really do. My biggest thing before, after I cut up the wiring harness from the Crown Vic, was I couldn't get into the ECU anymore. So hopefully this is supposed to take care of that. Got my OBD2 port right there. So we should be good to go. I just gotta finish wiring again. But yeah, we'll figure it out. My biggest things right now is I want to hook it up so that I can get power to the ECU and I can turn the key on and see if I can get into the ECU. That's my biggest thing. I do need to get I believe one relay. They don't come with relays in the kit, so I got to come up with one relay, I believe, and go from there. So if you want to continue to watch the build, hit that subscribe button, like it, comment. If you hate what I'm doing, say it, tell me. But thanks for watching. We'll catch you later.